Hi, second grade. It's Mrs. Kessler with our math lesson for today. Last week, we acted out and drew pictures of equal group stories with this paper. So you'll want this paper out again so that you can do our lesson for today. And today, we're going to learn how to write the number sentences for our equal group stories. All right, so let's fill in the missing numbers below each of these pictures. So let's look at number 1. It says that there are blank groups of blank wheels is blank wheels total. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups, which are your 5 cars. So you're gonna write a 5 here. And how many wheels does each car have? Each car has 4. So write a 4 there. And then the last one is for how many wheels that is altogether. So if we counted by 4s, we would say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So that'd be 20 wheels altogether. And so when you take out groups of and you put the multiplication sign or the times sign, it would look like this. 5 times 4 wheels equals 20 wheels. All right, let's look at number 2. This one was how many shirts and how many buttons. So we had 3 groups. And there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons on each shirt. And if you counted by 5s, 5, 10, 15, that would be 15 buttons in all. And so your multiplication problem is 3 times 5 buttons is 15 buttons. And you've been learning your times 5s when we did the clock. So you should know how to do your times 5 facts. All right, let's go to number 3. Blank groups of blank hearts is how many hearts? So count how many groups there are. And write that number here. And count how many hearts for each one. Write that number here. And figure out how many hearts is that in all. All right, so I'm going to write mine, and I'm going to see if we have the same answer. So we had 6 groups, and there were 3 hearts on each one. And 6 times 3, whoops, my paper keeps moving. 6 times 3 is 18. Is that what you had? Good job. If not, you can fix it. So 6 times 3 hearts is 18 hearts. Good. Let's try this one. Write your number for how many groups there were, how many wheels in each group, and then how many wheels altogether. Okay, so I'm going to write mine. We'll see if we have the same thing. 4 groups of 2 wheels, oh my goodness, is 8 wheels. And so 4 times 2 is 8. All right, so now let's flip our paper over. And on the back, we did this one. So this was children and crackers, right? So how many groups and how many crackers and how many altogether? So this was 4 groups, and they each had 2 crackers, and there were 8 crackers total. So 4 times 2 is 8. All right, now we have a blank space. So this time I'm going to read you a story, and I want you to I want you to draw the picture to go with the story that I'm telling you, and then we'll write a number sentence, an equal groups number sentence for that one. Cheryl has 5 pieces of paper. She put 2 stickers on each piece of paper. How many stickers did she use? So I'll read it one more time. Cheryl has 5 pieces of paper. She put 2 stickers on each piece of paper. How many stickers did she use? All right, so if I read the first one, Cheryl has 5 pieces of paper. Is that what you drew first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of paper. And she put how many stickers on each paper? 2. So I'm just going to put 2 stickers on each paper. And then you should be able to figure out how many stickers that is in all. So now let's write it. The first number is how many groups there were. 5. The second number is how many stickers there were. And you see this is a longer line because we have to put the label on the second word. So there were 2 stickers in each paper, right? So 2 stickers. S-T-I-C-K-E-R-S. Okay. And 5 times 2, you know what that equals? 10 stickers. Good job. All right, we have another story. Let's move down to number 7. So you're going to draw the picture for the story. Mrs. Rawdon had 3 boxes of donuts. Each box has 6 donuts. How many donuts does she have? I'll read it again and you draw your picture. Mrs. Rawdon has 3 boxes of donuts. Each box has 6 donuts. How many donuts does she have? So let's see if you drew what I'm going to draw. 3 boxes of donuts. Each box had how many donuts? 6. I'm not very good at this, am I? I drew that too big. 6. I'm just going to draw it like this. That'll be easier. There's 6 donuts in there. They look like donut balls, don't they? Instead of regular donuts. And 6 there. So what would our number sentence say for this equal group story? It would be 3. Whoa, I can't write and hold my paper, can I? 3. Remember, times means groups of. 3 groups of 6 donuts. Okay, hold on.